Today, meron po tayong dalawang kinakaharap na problema sa Pilipinas. Una, yung high electricity prices because of importing coal, oil, and natural gas, all these fossil fuels. And second is our climate crisis. The Philippines has one of the best solar energy resources in Southeast Asia. Bakit hindi natin gamitin kung anong atin para sa atin? Our communities show the power of local, proactive action. While COP30 struggled to move away from fossil fuels, Philippine LGUs are already building the clean energy systems of the future.
So bilang barangay leader, araw-araw naming nararamdaman ang bigat ng mataas na singilin ng kuryente. Kaya napakahalaga ng pag-aaral na ito. Ipinapakita nito ang praktikal, kayang-kaya ng LGU na mag-shift sa renewable energy.
Net metering program, it's about savings. The LGU can save. Makakalahati ang bill or more than half ng bill natin ay masasave. Kapag meron tayong solar installation sa ating mga buildings, imbis na bibili tayo sa ating mga DU or distribution utilities, tayo ay gumagamit na lang ng solar resource to power up our building. Pero itong pangalawang scenario natin, which is called the Expanded Roof-Mounted Solar Program, ito po ay mas ideal. But you know what? The potential of this is really great because the LGU can sell electricity to the community.
Every peso we save from electricity is a peso we can redirect to real other urgent needs.
This study is really intended to help LGUs transition to renewable energy. When we conducted this study, we really wanted to get their voices because they know the context of their locality. LGUs should be energy independent. They should adopt natural, homegrown, clean, renewable energy for their communities.
Kami po ay naririto para mag-bridge sa ating mga local government units. Kami po ay hindi titigil habang ang advokasya nito ay hindi nararating kahit ang pinakamaliliit na miyembro ng ating komunidad para po sa kanila ang lahat ng aming ginagawa.
Hindi lang ito tungkol sa kuryente, ito ay tungkol sa responsableng pamumuno. Naniniwala po ako na ang barangay kahit maliit ay may malaking ambag sa enerhiya ng bansa. Solar isn't just an environment decision, it's a financial strategy. Instead of watching our budget disappear in power bills, we want to invest in our people.